Well, I'm just getting ready to go out with Z for her first run, her hunt test, to get her junior hunter title. Let's go out in the field. Go ahead. Oh, no, nope, nope. Got a dead bird over here. Okay, go. Z, over here. Z. Over here. Let's go. Keep it up. Come on. Z, come. Z, hunt him up. Come on.
I believe most of the birds are right between here.
Yeah, I'm trying to get away from the white dog. Yep. A little bit. All right. Up. Go. Whoa, point, whoa. Oh, point. Whoa. Oh. Good girl. Come on, get some water. Come on, get some water. Come here. Come here, girl. Get some water. Come here. Zane. ZZ, come here. Z, a little water. Yeah. That was a good girl. Good girl. Yes. That's a good. Want some more water? Yes, you can have all you want. Keep going. Okay. Let's go, Z. You're doing good. Doing good. Work those birds. Find that bird. Z. Z. Come here. Z. Point. Okay. Get the bird. Ah! Good girl, Z. Good girl, Z. Good girl. Come on, let's go, Z. Over here. Oh, they're working on it again. Okay. You ready? Z, come here. You did good. You did good. Let's go. Come on. Hunt them up. Well, I forgot to turn on the GoPro, and Z has already found 2 quail. Let's go. Now we're going to try for a 3rd during the time before they call time on it. Had 1 wild flush, and then 2 points. Pretty good. Z, here, let me see something there. Everything good? Everything good? Huh? Good? Hey. Z, got some water. Z, here.
Don't let that fool you. Because if the dog doesn't pass, everybody's secretly pissed off.
Well, it looks like Z did a great job. She had a really good run. Got a couple of birds, found them, pointed them well. I'm really happy. Good job, Z. Good job.
Well, now going for the 4th junior hunter run with Z. Z,
She's all ready.
she's all ready to go, and we'll let you know how it works out.
Come on, Z, let's get some water. Get some water, come on.
I got a butt to sniff.
Here's Z. Z.
I
Okay.
got better things to do.
We ready?
Whenever you guys are ready.
Yep. Let's go. Birdie.
Z, hunt him up. Hunt him up, Z. Hunt him up. Go ahead. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Just gotta watch her. See if she turns birdie. Go ahead. Hunt him up, Z. Whoa, 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 whoa. Point! Whoa. All right, come on, Z. Now she's gonna go nuts. All right, find the other bird. Whoa! Come on, Z. Whoa. 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 Whoa, Z. Whoa.
How do I get it out?
You gotta reach in and throw it.
Bang! Bang! Good boy.
Come on, Z, over here. Come on, over here, little girl. Let's go. Good girl. Whoa. Whoa. Point. That wasn't actually a point. Good stop to flush though. It was a half-ass point. I wasn't gonna count it. Wasn't bad for being in the open, Z. Pretty good. Let's go. Let's see if we can find something hiding. Good girl. Go ahead. Okay, this is the end of it. Let's go back. Okay, check this. That's the way, good girl. That's the way to work the wind. Back over here. She's starting to learn the wind a little. Try over here, Z. Try over here. Over here. Hot spot, huh, girl? Let's go this way. Good girl. That's the way to work it. Keep going.
Yeah, it's nice.
Very nice. Keep it up. Let's check there over there. Go ahead. Whoa. Point. I don't know if you see it, she pointed under the tree. I don't think you can see it. Come on over here. The time? Okay. I don't think you can see that. She just stuck a nice point under the tree, but I could. It was dark. I didn't know if you could see it. Oh, that's nice. That's the nicest point she did today. You know what, girl? Do you know what? You did a great job. You did a great job. Come up here. Look at that. Smile for the camera. Yes, you did a good job.
Should we call Debbie on her cell phone?
I didn't have my cell phone with me.
Well, that was a pretty good run for her. You did good, Z.